All right, everybody, welcome back. Best used big rigs for sale. What we got today, a 2004 Peterbilt 379 long hood. Just traded for this truck yesterday. So this video is going to be a good indication of how this truck was maintained. We haven't detailed it yet, haven't run it through our shop, haven't done anything to it. So you're going to see pride of ownership in this truck. Technically a one owner truck. He drove it off the line, brand new, and lease purchased it and then owned it outright. 2.2 million miles on it, every one of them put on by the same driver. Did have an overhaul done at 1.1 million miles. Done by a Peterbilt shop. I don't have the paperwork, could probably get it from the shop if need be. Nice headache rack, stayed with the truck. The enclosed storage area, extra storage box up top. Good rubber, aluminum wheels. Those look real good once they're polished from the detail shop. We got our air slide fifth wheel. Speed transmission in this. C15 Caterpillar motor. Another side box there for you. Big old fuel tanks. Only blemish I can find on this thing, especially for the age, is just right here under the door. I'll show you. Starting to peel a little bit on both sides. Nothing crazy. Really sharp truck. Like I said, I wanted to get this video out early, but after detail, this thing's really gonna look nice. Big old Texas bumper with the lights on there. Obviously your dual stacks. Everything you're looking for in a hood truck. Take a look at the motor here. C15 Caterpillar. See there, not a lot of blow by present, oil dripping anywhere. Nice, tight, solid truck. Owner operator maintained. It's what you would expect with someone who put 2.2 million miles on the truck. They definitely took care of it. Fire it up so we can take a listen to the motor. There you go, you can hear it running, sounds pretty good. Shut that down so you can hear me a little bit better. Take a look at the inside. Legacy silver driver seat. Matching Legacy passenger seat. 13-speed transmission. Wooden steering wheel here. All the gauges. Chrome bezel gauges all the way around. Jump up in here real quick. 63-inch sleeper, guys. Plenty of room. Looks like you put a little custom shelf in there. You got your full stand-up shelves on each side. Full-size escape window on one side. Plenty of room back here, boys. Anyway, super nice truck. Just traded for it. 04 379 Pete. With the miles on it, it's not really going to be a financeable truck, so we're talking about cash buyers or local finance that you already have set up. So give me a call. You need any more details, you need specific pictures, a video of a certain area of this truck or whatever. My phone number is 816-841-2072. Again, 816-841-2072. My name's Jacob. Ask for me. I've got 1,200 other trucks in stock. If this isn't the one, give me a call. Would love to talk to you about it. 816-841-2072. Talk to you soon.